Zephyr Standing Patio Heater, Model EH800. With high-efficiency carbon fiber tubes. Carbon fiber has a high efficiency of electro-thermal conversion. It emits strong infrared heat without glaring visible light, which let you enjoy warmth. The carbon fiber tube has a life expectancy of up to 8,000 hours, providing long life and usable service. 360 degrees heating. This heater provides 360 degrees heating with 3 heating tubes, which are evenly distributed around the heater. Each tube can be turned on and off independently. This makes the heater not only suitable for 360 degrees heating a big area by turning all heating tubes on, but also suitable for heating a small area by turning only 1 or 2 tubes on. The heater heats up an area where you want it, thus saving energy and your electric bill. Weather protection. With an IP34 water and dust protection grade, this heater is completely suitable for outdoor environment. Anti-burn design. The protection grills over heating tubes are designed so that it can let heat through without heating up themselves, and the aluminum supports are designed with fins on the surface and air convection inside, thus preventing burns when touched. Tip-over protection. With a built-in tilt switch, the heater will cut off the electric power immediately when it tips over, thus preventing any potential danger of an electric shock. This heater is ideal for restaurants, clubs, domestic patios, balconies, sheds, workshops, garages, etc. Heater's power 27,000 watts, 900 watts by 3, with CE, GS, and RoHS certificates, with Chinese and international patents.